What's up, lifelong learners? This is your boy, Mr. Heng, and I am here at Knott's Berry Farm, the Prestige Lounge. And I am going to test out the sound in this area because I want to see what it's like when there's a lot of people talking. And currently, I am recording myself with a full frame camera. I have a ND filter on it. It's at the minimum right now. So that's why I guess I have to bump my ISO up to 800. And I'm lighting myself with the Aperture MC. How does it look? Pretty good? So the MC is at 5500K. The light in here is roughly around 3200K or 4100K. So my white balance is shooting at 4100K. So that's what I have right now as my setting and my setup. Oh, and I forgot the audio, Rode Wireless Pro. Why? Because I can. Thank you, Rode, for sending me this for review. And I'm thinking that this might be my new YouTube studio setup because I want to make sure that I come to a place where I can relax, get my mind off from work, and then talk about cameras. Because why not? Because I can. And because I like cameras. And I know you do too. So my first video was actually going to be about the DJI Action 1 versus the DJI Action 5. But I don't feel like doing it today. I guess I just want to enjoy myself today and have this free time to myself before going back to school and teaching. And then being on the YouTube grind, because I'm starting up a new, well, I'm not starting up a new channel. I am reviving my old channel for finance. So you want to check it out. It's a COACH2WIN, Coach to Win. It's all about finance as a teacher trying to retire at 55. There's a 55 rule, I just learned that. So anyways, for those of you who know what I'm talking about, leave in the comments down below, the 55 rule. But yeah, back to the cameras and me moving forward with this channel. And this channel for 2025, I just want to make sure that I focus on the cameras that I do have, and I want to eliminate G.A.S. You know what I'm talking about, G.A.S, G.A.S. Yeah. Gear acquisition syndrome. I have a lot of cameras. I don't use all of them. So I think I want to go down to just one full frame camera, maybe 3 lenses at most, and then just do action camera reviews and smartphone camera reviews because those are the most affordable cameras that most people are going to vibe with. And I don't feel like, maybe every now and then I'll do like a full frame Micro Four Thirds or APS-C camera review or just talk about it. But I feel like these cameras and the Pocket 3, they bring me the most joy because they're just small, easy to use. I can pack them, take them everywhere with me. And one more thing is the Brevity jumper with the Peter McKinnon. Yeah, right there. Yeah, this setup right here is gonna be my daily driver, my EDC, my everyday carry, moving forward 2025 and beyond, because it can pack a lot of stuff in here for work and for YouTube. I have all my cameras, I have my laptop, I have just about everything I need to create content, and so this is gonna be my everyday carry moving forward. For those of you who wanna look into this, I recommend buying it used. I don't recommend buying it brand new because the dividers suck, like they just suck. I'm not gonna lie, they just suck, okay? And in this as well, I have my, my Pocket 3 setup right here. What else do I have? Obviously, Rode Wireless Pro. Again, thank you, Rode, for sending me this for review. And I also have a Telesin neck strap for when I go fishing. I have the power bank, one of my regrettable decisions to buy this, but I'll make it work somehow. And I've actually used this with the Action 5 to vlog an entire day without worrying about battery. When I did the Canon R1 review, go check that one out. It's actually doing really well. A lot of people are digging that review. It's not a review, it's more like a first impression video because I only used it for like 4 hours. But the Canon R1 it's a pretty beastly camera, it's just not for me though. And I got the Sennheiser MK200, I believe. Yeah, the small one. I love this little mic. It fits my voice very nicely, and it's small, it's easy, it's compact. It's just awesome, okay? I don't need batteries for this. So Yeah, that's pretty much all in my gear bag and a tripod, like stand thing that I'm using here. It's, it's awesome. Anyways, enough of my ranting. So again, moving forward, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use smaller cameras, maybe one full frame camera, that's it, because I gotta consolidate all my gears into something I'm gonna use every day instead of having gas and hoping I'll ever use that camera. Like my GH6 barely gets used. It's like brand new and I don't even use it because I haven't been picking up jobs the way I want to. And so for me, thinking moving forward, S52X, Mark II X with the Tamron, no, not the Tamron, the Samyang 35 to 150. That would fit most of my needs. And then maybe get like a 24 1.4 or 18 1.4. I haven't decided yet. And then on the tele end, actually, I don't need the tele end. Actually, I only need those two lenses right there. You know what I mean? I would pretty much fit like everything I need it for and the way I work now because I'm trying to simplify my life with less gear, spend less money, and also spend more time with my daughter and my wife because I'm kind of done with the grind of working so hard. I mean, like I'm working right now, but you get the point. When you have a family, that is number one priority. It is not to be, grinding on YouTube. I mean, I do it occasionally. That's the reason why my channel hasn't been growing like it should be if I put in the effort and time because I remember I got my channel monetized in 9 months and it was doing really good, but then like I slowed down a lot because I got busy and I want to rebalance my life. And I think I found that balance. So that's why I'm taking on a new channel. And also at the same time, I'm coaching martial arts to keep myself healthy. So I'm finding that balance again. I'm back in my happy place, I wasn't so, I'm not so much like low key was in depression because of the whole pandemic. I didn't get to see my students. I didn't get to teach. So now, having my daughter, my wife, my family, my friends, and having this YouTube channel, and then now having martial arts again, I'm feeling like I'm rebalancing in a better way to keep myself motivated and happy. So yeah, 2025 is less is more. Less is more. All right, so I'm gonna stop rambling here. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is gonna be raw. I'm not editing this. And I'm going to say goodbye. For those of you who are new to the channel, follow along with your hands up like this. But actually, let me do this one. Follow along with your hands like this. And then for the people who are returning, you know how we say goodbye. Rock, paper, peace. Let's hang out again in the next video. I like this lounge. This is awesome. No one's bothering me. I'm like sitting here with like 30 other people.